Hello student, today we will see the new chapter that's known as cell division. You know that each and every living organism, there is growth and development occurs, and this growth and development occur due to the cell division. Cell division is what? It is the division of a mother cell or a parent cell into two daughter cells, that known as the cell division. That means parental cell divided into two or four cells, that's known as division, and it is very essential for these living things for the growth and their development. Then during this there is a certain metabolic activity also occurs, cell become active and this new cell are formed. Now this is the cell division. Then let's see next one. Next one is the cell cycle. Now that's the cell cycle. It is the sequential events. Cell cycle, that is the repetition of the divisions, the sequential events which occur during the dividing cell. That means suppose this one cell divide, after some time this cell again divides, redivides to form the multiple cells. Now let's say example of this, in case of developing embryo, your cell is multiplied. For example, zygote, it divides into two cells, split up to two cells, then two cells to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, and 32. On this way the cells are multiplied and later on they are differentiated. Now for this purpose there is the necessity of the cell cycle. What is my cell cycle? It's the sequential events occur in the life of dividing cell, that's known as a cell cycle. Now this cell cycle consists of two phases. One is the interphase and second is the M phase. Now interphase stage, it is a resting phase. It is the resting phase, or it is also known as a preparatory phase. Preparatory phase, here there is the cell is itself prepare for the division of the cells. That interphase, it is the longest phase. It is the longest phase. Then certain materials can be synthesized inside the cells, that's interphase. Or it also known as the interval with this interphase. It is the interval between the two successive division, that's known as the interphase. Now followed by this M phase, interphase. Then M phase, it is the actual division of cell, division phase of the cell. Cells actual division phase बनता है तो M phase है, interphase and M phase. This is the, therefore this is the interphase is the longest phase and M phase it is shortest phase. Now next one, look at these phases in details. Now this interphase, there are two phases, one interphase and M phase. Interphase, it is the longest phase. Then it is the preparatory phase where the cell prepare itself for the division. It consists of again three stages, three phases. First one is G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Now look at this. This is a cell cycle and it includes this. This is the longer one, this one interphase stage, and this shorter one is the M phase of mitotic phase. Now this interphase stage again divided with G1 phase. G1 phase also known as a growth first phase, is known as the growth first phase. It is also known as a post mitotic phase, that is it occurs after the mitosis. Now during this what happens, there is the synthesis of RNA take place. Here is the synthesis of RNA. This RNA includes three types of RNA, that is the mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. Okay. Then certain proteins also form. This protein also synthesized. Then second one is the synthetic phase, where there is a synthesis of DNA. Synthesis of DNA take place at this S phase. That is a synthesis means that is the replication of the DNA or DNA duplication take place at this stage. Now it lasts for 6 to 8 hours. G1 phase lasts for 8 hours. Then that means the chromosome material or DNA material get doubles in the S phase at synthetic. G2 phase, it is the growth second phase. Growth second phase. Now in this what happen? It is occur just incoming to this mitotic phase. Just prior to the mitosis, where the growth to phase, it is also known as a pre-mitotic. It's pre-mitotic phase. It occurs before the mitosis or before the actual division of the cell. It is a G2 phase. Now these are the three phases in which there is the cell is get prepared. Now look at this. G1 phase, there is the normal cell growth, normal cells functioning occurs in this. Cell organ duplications occur at this. Synthesis of RNA, synthesis of protein, synthesis of membranes take place at the G1 phase. S phase, it is the synthesis of the DNA. DNA duplication or DNA replication occurs at the S phase. And G2 phase, it is the growth second phase, where there is the synthesis of again protein, synthesis of cell organelles. All this happening in the G2 phase. There is protein synthesis also take place because it is required for the various formation of the cell organelles, membrane of the cell organelles. All these are happened in this phase. That means at the G2 phase, the cell is completely ready for the division. Then next one is cell M phase. Second phase, it is the M phase, in which at this phase it is the actual division phase. The actual cell divides at this phase. Cell divide at this phase. Now this M phase includes two phases. One is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis, that is, karyo means nucleus. There is a nuclear division. The division of the nucleus take place at this stage, that means as karyokinesis. They followed by the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. Division of cytoplasm. Now the cytoplasm includes certain cell organelles, proteins. All these contains which are equally distributed to each cell. But first division, it is a nuclear division. It occurs. Then cytokinesis occurs, that is a division of the cytoplasm. Now again we can say that if these two states are interphase states and M phase, mitotic phase, is continuously going on, cell is formed. Here is a cell goes into the from intercell into mitotic phase, and then it forms the two daughter cells. But some cells which exit to cell, some cells are exit to cycle, and that's is known as a G0 phase. And then that means G0 phase, it is a quiescent state. Quiescent stage, where the cell is exists to outside of the cell cycle. That means a quiescent stage. Then it again it enter into the cycle, and cycle is continuously going on, and then the division is started.